Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your garage door opener button if it, suddenly hasn't popped up on your screen when you get to your home location. So that tutorial is coming up. So I recently got update 2024.27, and when I did that, I noticed that the little garage door button, like the pop-up, started to not pop up when I was getting close to my home location, so I couldn't use the steering wheel button to open and close my garage door. And for me, I really like this feature. It's one of the most useful features for me. So there's a couple of things you can do to fix this, or how I fixed it anyway. One is you can restart the car. So if you hold both the left and right button, you can restart it that way. So I have another tutorial on how to do that, so I'll link that above so you can see how to do that. But basically, you just hold the left and right steering wheel buttons for like 10 seconds and it'll restart the car. That actually happened to fix it for me, and that's all I need to do. However, there's another thing you can try that I've read it will also help fix it. And that's to basically delete your home location and then re-add it. So to do that, you want to go into your settings button here. It's not on the bottom here, just swipe up on the bottom and it'll be over here. You want to go there, you want to go to connect, and then you want to go to garages. So you should have a home location set up. So if you hit the arrow to get into it, go there, and then basically all you need to do is hit the X here basically to delete. So you can hit that. It says you want to clear garage location. Clear, yes, and then basically just re-add it. So hit the add button, and then says use this location because I'm in my garage right now. Use this location, and boom, that's all you need to do. I did notice though, I was messing around with it just a little while ago, and I noticed that when I did that, the pop-up disappeared. So if it does that, restart the car again, and then the pop-up should come back up, and then you should be good to go. So that's all you need to do to fix that. So if you get a software update like I just did and it messed it up, try doing one of those two things or both of them, and hopefully that'll fix your problem, and then you can use your button again to open and close your garage door. So hope the tutorial was helpful. If you have any comments, let me know below, and thanks for watching.